In this video, I am going to show you how to set up the Mi WiFi Extender AC1200. So you have two options in order to do so. The first option is to set it up using or with the My Home app. Plug the extender into a wall outlet near your router and wait until the signal LED flash red, indicating it's ready for setup. Then you can go and download the My Home or Xiaomi Home application if you don't have it yet. Sign in into your Xiaomi account or create one if you don't have. Then click on plus to add a device. Once you do so, it will detect the My device. So select the My Wi-Fi range extender AC1200. Then choose your Wi-Fi network and enter its password. The LED will turn solid blue when the setup is completed. If you don't want to do that, there is a fastest option, or there is a faster option. Keep in mind that the setting up the extender using the My Home app is the recommended option. So the other option is setting up using or using the WPS. So you can just go, an example, to your My extender, and if you're, of course, you can do that only if your router has a WPS button. So just go and press the WPS button on your router first, then within 2 minutes press the WPS button on the extender. Then wait for the signal LED to turn solid blue. This will mean that the extender or solid green. So this will mean the extender has successfully connected. Once it's done, you can then go and remove the extender. So after the setup, just go and unplug the extender, move it halfway between your router and the room with the weak Wi-Fi, and plug it back in. For the best performance, of course, make sure to have it on a high ground area, far from any like walls or something like that. So once you're done with that, just go as an example and connect your devices with it. So connect your devices to the extender Wi-Fi. By default, you will have the 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, and the password is the same as your router Wi-Fi password. Even if you set this up on both ways, with the app or with the WPS button. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.